Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Tan and I love helping children do maths. Would you like to do some maths with me now? Let's see what we can do.
Now you might think that you're not ready to add such large numbers, but I can assure you that it's really easy. Let's write down the first number, one digit in each square. 218. And then we write the second number directly underneath, lining up the columns. 191. And then we draw a line and add up the columns, starting from the right hand side. Let's add the ones column. 8 plus 1 is 9. Then we move to the tens column. 1 plus 9 is 10. Now when I'm thinking 10, I want to write something that looks like 10, but it's a two-digit number. I can't write it all in one square, but here's what I can do. I can write the 0 down here and a little 1 in the next column. I've made the 1 little because there's more to come. Now we move to the hundreds column. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 more makes 4. And so the answer is 409. See how easy that is? Let's write down the first number, one digit in each square. 5,876. Now when we write the second number underneath, we have to be careful because it's only a three-digit number. We have to line up the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. And then we draw a line and start from the right hand side. Let's start with the ones. 6 plus 5 is 11. Then we move to the tens column. 7 plus 8 is 15 and 1 more makes 16. Then we move to the hundreds column. 8 plus 3 is 11 and 1 more makes 12. Then we move to the thousands column. 5 and 1 more makes 6. And so the answer is 6,261. When you're adding decimals, the easiest way to make sure you line up the columns correctly is to line up the decimal points first and wrap your digits around them. So the first number is 95.9 and the second number is 8.36. And if that looks a bit funny to you, you can pad out the first number with a 0 to fill in the gap. Now I'm going to write down my decimal point first before I forget, and then we start from the right hand side. This is called the hundredths column. 0 plus 6 is 6. Then we move to the tenths column. 9 plus 3 is 12. Then we move to the ones column. 5 plus 8 is 13 and 1 more makes 14. Then we move to the tens column. 9 and 1 more makes 10. And so the answer is 104.26.
So keep practicing and thanks for watching.